Hello, Tyler. Sorry at first for my little delay on the work. Um, okay, so we can check our pop-up. All of the code is in this pop-up.php file, and so first we can check the source code. Of course, this is my local, and so after you got this file, your developer should to customize it to your current environment, such as the configuration path and some other things, and such as your application, Facebook application ID. Okay, so at first we just there is a function use the Facebook UI, that is the app request dialog, to set a message. You can configure change this message here, and this is the application request to this user, and this is a single user passed as a parameter in the function, and then there's a request callback, and in the request bucket callback, the response is just the request IDs that you sent the client the user sent the request. So at here we can get who the user sent the request, and save it to server side. Maybe we can use Ajax the post to. Of course, this is just a sample URL. You can see save the ID in server side, and for the friend list, I just call the Facebook API function and get the current user's friends list, and in here we just set the friend send the friend list, the name, ID, and the picture. Also have a JavaScript click function, just call the send request to recipient function, and pass the ID. The ID is just the friend ID, first Facebook ID. Okay, so first we can check this. This is our test local. And we can get the friend list. I just add a scroll bar, just set the CSS. That is simple. I think your developer must know that. Just set the overflow to scroll. But this is I'm not a CSS expert. I don't know how to use your custom scroll bar, and this is just work. But for the picture, the layout is broken. When I check the CSS setting for it, and I found that the CSS, the position is absolute. So I think this is maybe need some change. Your design, your CSS developer could consider more why we need to position it as absolute in the item, because the absolute item we cannot control it in the scroll bar. So you can see that the picture is broken. Anyway, we can check the further function first. And for example, this is my friend list, and I can see that for list one first is my another icon account. So we click this one. It was to one first my request, and I send the send request. Oh, before the send request, I just want to remove the Ajax call, because the Ajax just a demo. This is not a real function I have. Okay. So for the friend IDs, we can show that in the console. And refresh. And open the console. And for this one, when I click the invite, and don't care this one, this is just my current proxy setting. Clear it and send the request. You can see that the callback will show the user ID, the recipient user ID. Okay, so and for my account, I check the app request. I just received the first one first. Just receive this request. Okay, so I think the basic function is just like this, and you can integrate it into your site, and let me know if you have any question or need any help from my side. Okay, thank you.